Hi, my name is Rojlina and I'm working as co-investigator in Research Institute for Bioscience and Biotechnology in Natural Product and Green Chemistry Department. So in that scenario, one of our colleague recommended Dropometer for us, and by using Dropometer we could get the exact values of surface tension and contact angle values for our formulation, and we could really compare all the formulations and got the best data. So then only we could move to the next phase of our project. So I think Dropometer has been a great help for us. We had a one-to-one discussion with the guys from Droplet Lab, and they were really helpful in solving all of our problem related with the device, and of course with our experiment as well. And another thing is that while using the Dropometer, there were some parts broken down, and the guys from the Droplet Lab were really quick enough to replace all those parts for us. It's super easy to use, and so it's a user-friendly device. It's less time consuming, so you can do many sets of experiment in short period of time, and it's a portable device, so you can just move the whole set of device from different place to place according to your convenience. By just doing a single tap in your mobile device, you can get your best result in few minutes, even in absence of internet services as well. So go get it!